Welcome back to Home Voyage Inspirations channel. If you're dreaming of turning your backyard into a warm countryside escape, today's episode is all about rustic backyard design ideas that combine comfort, character, and a connection to nature. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a cozy urban yard, there is something here for everyone who loves that laid-back rustic charm. Stick around as we explore timeless design tips, fresh backyard inspiration, and must-have rustic elements that you can easily bring to life. First, when it comes to rustic design, everything begins with natural materials. Think weathered wood, flagstone paths, vintage brick, and textured stone. These raw textures instantly give your backyard that cozy, lived-in feeling. Raised garden beds made from reclaimed timber, or even a handmade wooden pergola, can set the rustic tone beautifully. No rustic backyard is complete without a fire element. A stone fire pit becomes a gathering point where stories are shared and marshmallows are toasted. Choose materials like stacked river rock or repurposed brick for that raw, old-world appeal. Want to elevate the mood further? Add vintage-style lanterns or string Edison bulbs overhead. These lighting details make your space feel magical at night and enhance key rustic themes like cozy backyard vibes and outdoor retreat ideas, which are trending in 2025. Rustic doesn't mean rough, it's about comfort with character. Go for weather-resistant wood or wrought iron furniture softened with linen or burlap cushions. Mismatched vintage chairs or a salvaged farm bench give your space soul and a lived-in look. Create nooks for relaxation by placing seating near a tree, under a pergola, or by your fire pit. Mix in some woven textures like jute rugs or rattan side tables to reinforce the rustic charm. Trending searches like rustic outdoor living room and vintage garden seating show how much people crave cozy outdoor corners. Rustic landscapes thrive on imperfection. Think of wildflower meadows, overflowing herb boxes, and gardens that look slightly untamed. Embrace native plants, climbing vines, and flowering shrubs that grow freely and naturally. You can also include raised beds or hanging planters made of old crates or galvanized tubs. Lavender, rosemary, and ornamental grasses add color, scent, and that laid-back countryside feel. Keywords like wild rustic garden, backyard herb wall, and low-maintenance outdoor plants are growing fast in search volume. One of the most satisfying parts of rustic design is the use of repurposed materials. Think old doors turned into potting tables, antique ladders as plant holders, or wine barrels as garden tables. These upcycled features tell a story and give your yard unique personality. This is also where you can get creative with DIY rustic backyard projects. Hand stain your own pallet swing, build a simple tree stumps tool set, or hang an old window frame as wall art on your fence. These custom elements are perfect for boosting your backyard's charm while tapping into 2025 trends like eco-friendly backyard ideas and sustainable garden design. To truly extend your living space outdoors, consider creating a rustic backyard room. This could be an open-air dining area under a pergola, or even a small covered nook with weathered wood siding and outdoor curtains. The goal is to blend indoor comfort with outdoor freedom. Use neutral earthy tones, soft lighting, and layered textiles like throws and pillows to make it feel like an extension of your home. Incorporating trending ideas like open-air rustic kitchens or backyard reading corners can give your space that lifestyle-forward, magazine-worthy vibe. Rustic backyard design is not about perfection. It's about warmth, connection, and authenticity. Whether you're starting from scratch or updating a corner of your garden, these ideas will help you create a space that feels natural, timeless, and uniquely yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more design inspiration. Drop a comment below if you have a favorite rustic element, or if you have tried one of these ideas at home. Until next time, keep dreaming, designing, and living beautifully outdoors.